In Creo 13, we continue expanding the functionality of Creo NC, now with a new spiral type scan for face milling. The contoured spiral scan type will make the toolpath to smoothly follow the contours of the selected reference surface and the island within the surface for generating the spiral toolpath. We also included automatic degouging against the reference model. For a smooth entry, the tool considers the following parameter values. In open areas, the tool considers the lead radius parameter value. In closed areas, the tool considers the ramp angle parameter value for a helical approach. These enhancements provide the following benefits: automatic degouging, new spiral type toolpath, and consistency with Creo NC workflows. Thank you for your attention.